On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest methods that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you don't need to pay for any ads. Everything is free. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join ClickBank, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join Digistro24 or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Digistro24. Digistro24, it is available worldwide, and the best part is that almost all the products you are allowed to promote them. You don't need an approval to promote most of the products on this platform. You can select any product that you want and then drive traffic to the product so that you can be getting people to purchase the product for you to earn an affiliate commission. So just search for Digistro24. Once you search for it, you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to see a dashboard like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. These are categories of products that you can promote to earn affiliate commissions. They have digital products, so if you want to promote a digital product, you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you see subcategories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. There are a whole lot of them. As a scroll, you can see a whole lot of different subcategories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. So just select any category that you want and then select it. You can see a whole lot of them. Apart from the digital products, you can also promote events and seminars. You can promote services. You can promote physical products, the shipping products. So when you click on it, you'll be able to find a physical product that you can promote. You can see they have skincare and then food supplement. So if you want to promote the food supplement, all that you need to do is that you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you can get the food supplement to promote. You can see this is a food supplement. It is a meal enhancement product that you can promote to meals. So you can see the details of the product. You can see this is the commission rate and this is the cut conversion rate. So if you want, you can promote it. There are many of them. So when you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different physical products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of different physical products that you can promote. You can see many of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote it. If you want, you can also sort the products based on different factors. So for example, when you click right here, you can see you can sort the products by popularity, earning per sale, earning per cart vista, publication date, cart conversion rate, and then the cancellation rate. So any of these factors that you want, you can use to sort the product so that you can find the best product that you can promote to earn money from home. In this case, I'm going to be using the cart conversion rate. The cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So the higher the cart conversion rate, the likelihood that you're going to make a sale promoting the product. So in this case, I'm going to click on cart conversion. Once you click on cart conversion, you can see this is a product that you can promote. It has the highest cart conversion rate. You can see 38%. That means if you promote this product to 100 people, you are going to get 38% of those 100 people purchasing the product for you to earn money. Apart from this product, when you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. You can see this one is 36%, but the commission rate is low as compared to the first one. When you scroll down, you can see another one here. The commission rate is $39.85 and the cut conversion rate is 31%. When you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. So just select any of them that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. You can see this product right here, the cart conversion rate is 28%. The commission rate is also good. You're going to be earning $139.80 per every sale that you get. So just select the one that you want so that you can promote it. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting a digital product. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on digital product. Once you click on it, select any of the subcategories. In this case, I'm going to be promoting the product under the health and fitness. So let me scroll down to show you. Once I scroll down, you can see health and fitness. Click on it. Once you click on the health and fitness, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here, the ultimate keto meal plan. This is one of the products that you can promote to get people to purchase it. So you can promote a product like this, but if you want, you can promote any product that you want. Just select the one that you want and then find a targeted audience that will purchase the product for you to earn a commission. So I'm going to be promoting this product. To promote the product, click on it. Once you click on it, a page is going to open like this. So you can see these are some of the details of the offer. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on the sales page so that you can get more information about the product. So click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is a video tutorial about the product. So what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can watch the video and then get more information about the product before you promote it. This is also what your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your affiliate link. So you have to get first-hand information about the product before you promote it. So you have to watch the video first before you promote it to other people. All that you need to do is that you have to click on watch. Once you click on it, you can be able to watch the video and then begin to promote it. Once you watch the video and then get more details about the product, the next step is that you have to click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. The next step is that you have to drive traffic to this link so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. If you get one sale, you're going to be earning $84.34 so that you can get many people to purchase the product for you to earn a lot of money per day. There are two types of traffic sources that you can use. You have the free traffic source and the paid traffic source. Any of them that you want, you can use it and then get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. In this case, I'm going to be using a high quality free traffic source so that we can get the right people to click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is nationalfreehours.co.uk. Nationalfreehours.co.uk is a classified website that you can use to advertise your affiliate links and then target people who live in the United Kingdom. Almost 100% of the people who visit this website are from the United Kingdom. So when you publish your ad on this platform, you are targeting people who live in the United Kingdom. And the best part is that most of the people who live in the United Kingdom have the purchasing power to buy the product so that you can earn a commission on the student for. So all that you need to do is that you have to search for this website. Once you search for it, you can create an account and then begin to advertise your affiliate links. To sign up for an account, you can see right here, login. Just click on it and then create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and login, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to click right here, post an ad. Once you click on post an ad, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to select the category of the product that you are promoting. In this case, it is a weight loss product. So what we have to do is that you have to click right here, health/beauty. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to select a subcategory under health and beauty. So you can see these are subcategories. Just select the one that you want. In this case, we are going to select healthy eating. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to type the title of your ad and then a brief description of the product that you are promoting. If you want, you can use ChatGPT to write an ad title and a description for you. If you want, you can also write it by yourself. Whatever that you want, you can enter it right here. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use ChatGPT. So what you have to do is that you have to search for ChatGPT and then create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to type a prompt here. Write an ad title and a description for keto meal plan, something like this. Once that is done, click on send. Once you click on it, you can see it is writing a description. You can see this is the title and this is a description. Highlight and then copy the title. Once you highlight and copy the title, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you have to paste the description here. So you have to come back on ChatGPT, highlight and then copy the description. Once you highlight and copy the description, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you can see URL to your own web page. So this is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on this 24, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Once you copy it, come back, paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you can see price. just enter any price that you want. As you can see on the student 4, this is the price of the product and this is the commission rate. The reason why the commission rate is higher than the price is that it is a program. So once your potential visitors join the Keto Mail program, they are going to keep on buying. As much as they keep on buying, you are going to be earning a commission. That is why the commission is higher than the price. So this is the price for the first package, but as soon as they join, they are going to keep on buying different plans and you are going to keep on earning money. That is why we are seeing a big difference. Now once you know this, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the price of the product. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is pounds, so if you want you can reduce it. So you can even say 29 pounds. I think the pounds is higher than the dollar, so you can say 29 pounds. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see price tag. So when you click on it, you can select the price tag, or if you want you can leave it blank. Once that is done, you can see location. If you want to target a specific location in the United Kingdom, you can click right here. Once you click on it, you can select a specific location in the United Kingdom. You can see everything is in the United Kingdom. The website is available in the United Kingdom, so all the locations are in the United Kingdom. Once that is done, you have to click right here finish so that you can add images of your ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to add images of the product. You can see add photos or logos now. So what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can add images of the offer. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to get an image of the offer and then click right here so that you can upload it. So what you have to do is that you have to open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, search for Keto Mail Plan. Once you search for it, select images. Once you select images, you can see these are images of different Keto Mail plans. Select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select this image. So right click on the image. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, the next step is that you have to click right here, choose file. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click right here, upload it. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. If you want to upload another one, you can click right here, choose file, and then upload the image. Now once that is done, click right here, done. Once you click on done, you can see this is your ad. You can see it right here. This is the ad. If you want to view it, you can click on it so that you can see how your ad looks like. You can see this is your ad. When you scroll down, you can see this is your ad. You can see your affiliate link right here. You can see the description. If you want to edit it, you can go ahead and then edit your ad. So your ad has been published onto the platform. The next step is that people are going to be viewing it from the United Kingdom, and most of them are going to purchase the product that you are promoting so that you can make a commission on the student for without investing any money. So make sure you post as many ads as you want onto the platform, but make sure you post different products. Do not duplicate one product. If you duplicate it, they are going to delete your ad. Select as many products as you want and then publish them onto this platform. Once you publish them, you have to keep on updating your affiliate link. Some affiliate links, the cookie duration is 30 days, some 15 days, some 90 days. So make sure at least every 30 days you update your affiliate link so that when people purchase the product, you can be tracked and get paid. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.